Meet Rolljak, a new and innovative way to engage with audiences in classrooms or at work. With Rolljak, we are blending the divides between collaboration tools like Miro and learning engagement tools like Kahoot or Mentimeter. Imagine both these experiences in one place. Rolljak provides the gamified, scalable, and mobile-friendly user experience of learning engagement platforms together with the capability of running collaborative team-based discussions. All that in a guided and time-boxed environment, making your life way easier. Our collaboration and peer evaluation modes are guaranteed to get your audience hooked. Enable collaboration with the click of a button and gather text or sketched responses. Our unique peer evaluation modes make down selection and voting a total breeze. Use the invest mode to crowdfund ideas or rate responses using the scales mode. Or perhaps you want to organize them into categories with tags. With Rolljak, you can split your audience into teams to facilitate project-based discussions or maybe some team-based competition to spice things up. You can also run a quiz to test knowledge, a poll to gather opinions, or if you're in the mood for some fun, try the Rolljak signature activities to start any event with fun icebreakers. We even have an AI-powered auto-scoring quiz which evaluates open-ended responses for you automatically, and so much more. Whether you're hosting 5, 50, or 500 people, handle it all easily with Rolljak. So join us today in our mission to revolutionize audience engagement and start supercharging engagement anytime, every time.